Good afternoon. My name is Eric Windheim. I'm a certified building biology environmental consultant and electromagnetic radiation specialist based in Sacramento, California. We're here in Arlington, Virginia today, right across from Arlington National Cemetery and the Pentagon and our nation's capital. As you can see, the Washington Monument and the Capitol building, and maybe even part of the White House. But the real star of the show today is the special roofing system that we are installing on this roof. We're protecting this entire 11-story, 300-unit apartment complex from microwave radiation from 15 cell phone towers on the antenna. And we're using this special material called Cuprotect. Cuprotect is not only the most effective material that you can use, but it has a patented system of interlocking folds that actually produces a net installed attenuation of greater than 80 dB. Now that's unheard of for an installation of 80 dB or greater throughout the entire job. And that was measured at a nuclear reactor complex in Finland. Now this is a special fixture that goes into the inside corners of walls. It's specially made. All those folds are patented. This is an outdoor 90-degree angle fixture. And nobody else has these. They may have material, but they don't have these fixtures. And all the time we see pipes on roofs like that one over there, and you need something that's going to protect. And then the rest of the Cuprotect, which comes in 4-foot wide or 5-foot wide rolls, it interlocks with this. So you have an interlocking protective layer and not just one layer laying on top of another, which is very ineffective. So besides the product and the patented system, you get the expert engineering result assistance from Wolfgang Kessel, the inventor and founder of Cuprotect. And when you need to install the job, his experienced craftsmen come out and make each and every one of these to the exact size you need. So this is a custom crafted job that is guaranteed to give you the highest level of protection from electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic pulses, microwave radiation. Thank you very much, and please check out the links on the website.